Are you still on the fence about the Apple Watch 10? You're not alone. I was too until I discovered 3 game-changing features that completely transformed my decision. In today's video, I'll share what made me switch from skeptical to a die-hard fan. So, if you're weighing your options, stick around. You won't want to miss this. Let's dive right into it. Feature number 1, double tap gesture. This is the feature I didn't know I needed until I tried it. Imagine controlling your watch with just a tap of your fingers. No more fiddling with tiny buttons or awkward swipes. This is especially useful when you're on the go. Whether you're holding a coffee or riding a bike, a simple tap lets you control your notifications, take calls, and much more. It feels so seamless and futuristic that you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Moving on to feature number 2, and this one was a game changer for my fitness routine, precision finding. If you're someone who misplaces your iPhone as much as I do, this is going to blow your mind. With precision finding, you can pinpoint exactly where your iPhone is. No more frantic searches or asking people to call your phone. The accuracy is spot on, and it adds a level of ease and security that's invaluable. And last but certainly not least, feature number 3, Modular Ultra Watch Face. This takes customization to the next level. You can now personalize your watch face with more data-rich complications than ever before, from workout stats to real-time weather updates, all at a glance. It's not just about aesthetics. This is practical, efficient, and tailored to you. Whether you're an athlete or someone who just loves tech, this feature makes the Apple Watch 10 feel like an extension of your lifestyle. These 3 features are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the Apple Watch 10's capabilities. And trust me, once you start using them, there's no going back. So, whether you're into fitness, love the convenience of new tech, or simply want a device that enhances your daily life, these updates make the Apple Watch 10 worth every penny. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're still on the fence, drop a comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to hear your opinions. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Drive Innovator for more reviews, tips, and insights on the latest tech gadgets. See you in the next one.